Hi, greetings and welcome to Nairobi. Guys, Nairobi is one of the capital city of Kenya and is the main metropolitan city. So guys, today I'm gonna take you on or along the Nairobi Expressway, and I'm gonna show you the recent updates, like they're trying hard to save it. So guys, recently, obviously, when Nairobi Express was being constructed, so the pillars was supposed to be planted the flowers in order actually to make the environment green, and also to reduce the graffiti, which is usually done mainly on which is usually done on pillars and walls around the Nairobi. As you walk around Nairobi, actually you'll notice that there are pillars that has been graffiti or have been graffiti all along. So the flowers actually, this project, many flowers failed to grow. Yeah, many flowers fail to grow because we know they lacked sunlight and also watering. Yeah, but now they're trying so hard to actually rescue and make it look amazing by planting those grasses you've just seen. So this one it's like a species of bamboo. I can say, is it bamboo or what? It's the type of grasses that actually grow tall. So I think they are targeting that they will cover the pillars up to the top. So hope this one works, but also if it fails to receive sunlight, then it's just another waste of taxpayers' money. So for the rest of the video, enjoy as we explore Nairobi, walkways and pathways, and see how beautiful Nairobi is. So guys, if you are new, kindly consider becoming part of the family. Those who are returning, I say thank you so much. Remember to like the video. If you find it interesting, you can like the video. You can share with your friends on any social media platform you have, and don't forget to leave a comment. So enjoy the video.